Good morning, everybody. Today we have another unboxing video, another one I'm very excited about, a company that I've wanted to do business with and now I'm getting the opportunity to. A company by the name of Auxbeam. You might have heard of them. They reached out to me and wanted to send me some LED pods and I said absolutely. So we're going to unbox them and see what we got. Of course, every good company will have a sticker. Some other stuff we don't need. Here's the good stuff. Alright, so we got some mounting hardware. And then the lights themselves. Go. All right. These look pretty good, pretty sturdy. With the nuts already in there, you can put your mount on it and it's not going to go anywhere. Does not come with a plug. Most of them don't, and if they do, it's usually because the company puts them on. I have a Deutsch kit, so I'll probably put Deutsch connectors on it. And also, the wiring harness kit. So this looks like it's pretty much plug and play. Yeah, they have the relay and everything wired up for you. Your inline fuse, all you need to do is connect this to positive, negative, and then it's got two sets of leads for your lights, obviously. These ones do have connectors on them, so if you wanted to, you could just get this same style of connector. Just get the male side of it. I'll probably end up cutting these off and putting Deutsches on it. And then it's got that little connector. You'll run that through your firewall or somewhere to get inside the cab so you can have your button, your lights. Sweet. Alright, so we're going to check out these mounts to see how they work. Okay. Well, maybe like this. Probably like that, I think. Maybe. I believe it goes like that. So you'll mount that hole to your frame or whatever, and then you can slide it up and down to get the angle you want. You gotta put that through, I guess, before you mount that up. That's my fault. But I gotta say, first impression, I'm pretty impressed with this. These are only $20, and usually with $20 lights, they're pretty cheeseball. These happen to be pretty sturdy. So I want to hook them up to some power and see how bright they are. So here's what I got going. Like I said, I use Deutsches because they're weatherproof. Almost waterproof, pretty damn close. So now I've got a hook, or I put the other end on the harness, which will be super easy. You absolutely do not have to do this, just the way I like to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick and we'll hook them up to something. Conventionally, wires are positive, negative are red and black. I'm assuming black is ground, but we're going to double check with the meter. You don't need a good meter. These are Harbor Freight meters. They work fine for just doing little things. So we're just going to put it to continuity, see if we have a complete circuit. Whoops. So all we are going to do is touch one lead to the ground right here. And then one to whatever one of these will make this read something. So black is indeed ground, which we thought it would be, but it's good to double check. All right. So we got a weatherproof connection that can be taken apart if we ever decide to take these lights off or move them or anything. I think that's really cool that they offer a plug and play harness. All you have to do is put terminals on the end of that. You didn't have to do this, but I think it's really cool because if you're like me, you really don't like doing wiring, or if you just don't have any clue, it's a good option. This is very cheap. I think this harness was, I don't know, somewhere between 10 and 20 bucks. Might even be less than that. I don't remember, to be honest with you. But the lights I know were 20. I'll put a link in the description for both of these, of course, so you can check them out. I think we're going to wait for it to get dark, and then we're going to plug them in and see just how bright these bad boys are. I guess while we wait for it to get dark, I'm going to make some mounts real quick, or mount them up to this. It's a piece of ABS I have just laying around for whatever reason. So I'll drill them up, mount them on this, that way we can set them up and not have to hold everything. Only got two hands, so we'll just do that real quick. These totally came with instructions, I just didn't see them. And I'd like to see if I can figure it out on my own anyway. But this is how the mounts are going to look. They even got like little grooves the mounts will kind of set on, so you can have your straight up and down, or angle it, kind of index it. So now I just got to drill a couple holes so we can tighten these down. Well, damn, that looks pretty good. I gotta say, one of my complaints is how this plug, or where it comes out, is so close to the bottom, so it kind of hits whatever you tighten it down to. Not a huge deal. I mean, it has plenty of play. Hey, it's not that big of a deal. As long as it's not moving around, you don't want to wear it through or anything. But pretty sweet mount setup. All right, now it's dark, so I'm gonna hook up the lights to the batteries on my truck, or battery on my truck rather. Kill the lights. See just how bright these things are. It's got the red light when it's off, green light when it's on, and you can kind of tell that they're on. Kind of bright. I hope you got a good idea how bright these things are. In my experience, going out and like shining a light, the GoPro doesn't do a very good job of picking up just how bright things are. I did a review on some headlights a while back, and they're really bright, but on camera it really doesn't do it justice, which if you've ever looked up reviews for any LED lights before, you'll know that once you've gotten it, they're a lot brighter. So I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with them. I like the mounting bracket on these opposed to some of the other ones I've seen. Even though these lights are very similar to some I've seen, I think this mounts a little bit better. Only one bolt. So once again, thank you to Auxbeam for sending these out to me. I very much appreciate it. I will leave the link to both of these, the lights and the harness, in the description below if you are interested in picking some up for yourself. Check me out on Instagram as Endless Wishlist 6.0. We're going to be doing a 5K giveaway. I'm actually almost to 5,200 subs on YouTube, but on my Instagram, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. We're going to have 2 winners this time, first place, second place. So go follow me there if you're interested in entering to win that. Take care, and I will see you guys next time.